Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and I just want to show you guys how I revamped my bathroom in this video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon. So guys, the first thing I went ahead and did was added some gemstones. These gems that I got from eFavormart.com. I went ahead and added them all around my mirror. I added 2 rows, and I used the same direction all the way to these, when adding these gems. And I find these gems are really pretty. They're so glamorous and they're so classy. So that's why these are my favorite gems ever. Like, I love them. So yeah, that's one of the things that I did to upgrade my bathroom to what I wanted it to look like. So for the next DIY, I am going to take this vase that I previously DIY'd from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and glam it up just a little bit more by adding some Bling Wrap rolls to that. I'm also going to take a beautiful brooch that I received from Totally Dazzled, and I'm going to go ahead and place that in the front of the vase to just glam it up even more. So guys, I want to quickly show you what I will be doing for my final little piece in my bathroom. Of course, you guys already know that I've decided to change my bathroom color to white, and I've also decided to add a lot of this silver in there just to glam it up a little bit for the holidays and stuff. So I really like that. So I will be using some of my Bling Wrap from Totally Dazzled. I'm almost done this Bling Wrap. I've been using it so much, but I love this. And I'm also using maybe 1 or 2 of these little brooches. Also from Totally Dazzled. See how cute they are? Because you guys know this is a handle baggie. I carry this everywhere when I go to do my little DIYs around the house. So I just carry this little bag with whatever I need. And it's so handy. I love it. So another thing that I have here is this white, I think it's cotton. Yeah, white cotton shower curtain that I got from, oh boy, where did I get that? From Marshall's a long time ago. Or Vera, really cool, really pretty. I love it. I love the wrinkles on there. It looks so pretty. So I will be adding some bling wrap. I'll be adding some bling wrap, just like so, onto the shower curtain. So it's going to be a little bit difficult for me to do that. So let's just see how we can, work it out here. Okay, so I will be using my hot glue for this just for the purpose of the video. I won't stick it all the way because I do intend to sew it on. So I will just try to do it just so that you guys can have an idea of how it looks. So lengthwise, which is this way across, I plan on adding just 2 of these, like 2 rows, maybe more, I'm not sure. Let's see here. So I started all the way at the edge, and I'm gonna go all the way to the other side. And I'm also trying to keep this as straight as I can, which is amazing why I chose this shower curtain, because of the line here. You could see, like, because it's sewn, it's so easy to follow the line. So I'm just gonna follow that all the way to the other side. So you guys, this is the finished stuff, finished product. Of course, you guys know I have a DIY for this clock on my channel, and I just did this beautiful little vase which I placed on top of a little shelf here. I did also go ahead and place a candle and a little succulent on top of the toilet. Here's this little plaque here, and this is how I added the gems onto the shower curtain rings. And of course, you guys know I had to add my beautiful brooches from Totally Dazzled. These are absolutely beautiful, and the bling wrap is beautiful as well. I also did go ahead and add some gems on top of my towel holder. And of course, again, you see the beautiful Totally Dazzled brooch here. the bling wrap on the towel. I also did add some gems on this one as well. And this is just a plain white towel. And you guys, this is the mirror, how it looks. It's really pretty. I have a DIY for this vase on my channel. I will link it down in the description box or up on the edge there. And this is the only colorful thing I have in my my washroom. To add a little bit of color, I had some bling wrap on the soap dispenser, the toothbrush holder. I added some pumpkins from the Dollartree and a beautiful diffuser here. Infuser, whatever that is. I think that's a diffuser. I'm not sure. Yeah. And this says thankful, which I got from the Dollar Tree. This my husband brought for me. I'm not sure where he got it, but you know, just to get into the spirit of fall. There's so much to see when you come in here. It's really cool. So you guys, if this is a video that you like, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notified as to when I upload new videos.